with some of the team from Beijing Jingdao. Now, you might not have heard of this machine tool company, but it's absolutely phenomenal. Just to give us a feel for the size of the company, how many staff do you have in the R&D section? How many staff overall?
In total, we have 4,500 employees and 900 people in the R&D.
So a lot of people. So how many machines do you sell a year?
About 12,000 machines we produce a year. And we produce about 90% of the machines by ourselves.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing figure. So if you haven't heard of them, we're going to find out more of them in the UK and Europe very, very soon.
Yes.
Okay, so we're looking here at the GRU150, which is your 5-axis machine. But you have, how many 5-axis machines do you have in the range? Well, the super accurate range, should we say?
Yeah, we have 5X milling machines in high accurate components in a couple of sizes. So the 150 is a lower middle size machine. We have also the 150 very small ones.
Oh, okay, because this itself is a very small footprint.
Yeah, the footprint is very small, but we have quite good result for good parts.
Yep.
And of course, with an automation like this, we have on this moment 30 pallets automation on this side, but we also can go to 96 pallets for one machine.
So a lot of components in there, and that's key to what you do with this company. It's all about basically making money while you sleep. Mark, people who don't know Beijing Jingdao, it did start with the software, CAD/CAM software?
Yeah, in 1994 they started producing software.
Yep.
They had very good innovation technologies.
Well, it was too good, wasn't it, the software, for the machine tools that were available?
It was too good for the machines. The machines didn't understand the innovation that they had in the software. And on the end, customers were asking, can you also build machines who understand the software so we can really keep this high quality from the software and really use this innovation
into
technologies.
The machines. Okay, so you've got your CAD/CAM software, so you've designed your component, you've done a CAM on it, load it into here, into the pallet side of things, and then it does it all for you basically, is that right?
Yes, we have a controller, but it's more or less not only in controller, but it's also having this CAM software inside of the controller.
Right.
So what we do is outside we do the CAD/CAM, we program the machine. We also program in the CAD/CAM where we want to probe, where we want to measure the parts when we are going to produce. So then we put the parts, the material in the loader. In this type 30 pallets. We go up to 96 pallets for 25 kilograms in this type of machine.
So a lot of parts there.
Yeah, and the machine will start milling, and on the end when we say okay, we want to check if the part is in the tolerance that we want, plus minus 2.
Another key thing to this machine is that you don't need to take those parts out to check them. It'll be checking, measuring all the way through the process where you require. There's no manual intervention required.
Yeah, the machine can be very accurate. If you say okay, we want to have a part in 2.5 microns plus minus, yeah, we can do it on the machine. But if you have to take it out, measure and put it back, your 0-point clamping system will not reach this accuracy. So why don't you measure also in the machine?
Just leave it. Yeah, I mean the 0-point systems are very, very good, but that manual intervention, you're always going to get some element of inaccuracy.
Yeah, and it costs a lot of time. Yeah. I mean, on this moment we put it in the machine will measure his part, and if the part is not requiring the question, the machine has not only the controller, but also this CAM software inside of the machine.
Okay.
He will do automatically when you are sleeping or sitting on the bike with your wife. No, the machine will do its correction by himself, and he will run the part again.
Right, okay.
So we are having a good part.
It's interactive, so again, we're making money while we sleep.
That is all idea.
Let it run, okay. Now, the controls, I've not seen these type of controls before in terms of programming language. Simple to use compared to if I've got a Fanuc or a Heidenhain, Siemens, whatever?
Yeah, I think a controller is always simple to use. Yeah. I mean, that is the whole key about the controller. It's the same like a car driving. Yeah. You know how to do the car driving, you only need to learn which button is which function.
Just slightly different buttons. Oh, okay, that's fine. And looking in the working envelope, it's an absolutely fantastic machine in here. So what's going on in terms of spindle speed and number of tools, just to clarify?
In this machine we have a 24,000 spindle, own produced. We have a one knuckle 5X table, 4 and 5X on one knuckle. Yeah, it's a very decent machine.
And what sort of materials will this be capable of machining?
Yeah, of course the normal materials, stainless steel, aluminium, but titanium, Inconel, glass, ceramic, we can do carbide.
Any challenge?
Any challenge we can do.
Okay, and any industry, I mean, we've got examples of molds, for example, but any industries that you're looking at doing work for?
Yeah, we do a lot of in the mold industry, of course, but also semiconducting, medical, On this moment, of course, electrical car parts.
Right.
Yeah, you name it, and we can make it.
Okay, and you've got enough application engineers, so someone comes to you, you can provide that solution for them.
Every challenge we take with two hands, and of course with the team in China and the team in Europe and America, we can be successful to help you with this new technology.
That's absolutely fantastic. So essentially, doing it all in one go, just load up the machine and make some more money.
Make some money, lights out, and making money.
That's absolutely fantastic. Mark, David, from Beijing, Qingdao, you'll be seeing a lot more of these machines.